Hey guys, so welcome to week 4 vlog for Vlogoween. I know it's after Halloween, but I just, it kind of went over anyways. And I just wanted to put a little comment here at the beginning because the very first clip in this vlog is something kind of traumatic, and the video footage after I was watching it, I was like, you really didn't seem that concerned, Araya. But I was concerned, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I was concerned. I know the clip doesn't make it seem like I was, but I really was, and I put the camera down for a minute, and it was just to make sure that they were... And anyway, you'll see what happens, so just keep watching. Oh! Whoa, what happened? Are you okay, Lil?
Lily, are you alright, babe? It's alright, they're gonna give it to you.
Somebody pulled the cord, probably.
Don't walk away from Vivian's car. Go back. Where's Vivian? Go back. Careful, okay? Okay, it's up. You can get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She's still gonna play.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Viviana.
Good job, Becky. You want Mama to turn it for you? There you go.
Here's Gabriella, and she is dressed as a hippie. Raise your hand if you remember the hippie day. That is Sunshine Girl.
You do have green. You want a new color?
Yeah. I want to have purple.
Oh, here, try it again. Try one more time. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. You have to walk over there closer to him.
We got it.
You say.
Walmart. And then we got jacket. We can zip up and wear.
What do you say?
That's fine.
You say thank you? Oh, almost. Oh. But you pick up the bag right here. Yay! guys' costumes are super cute.
Thank you.
Say thank you. Come on, okay?
Come here.
Try and get a fish.
Can you catch a fish?
It's a magnet buggy. You gotta hold it over the magnet. There you go. Pull it up. Oh, you almost got it.
It was so close.
Try again.
Oh, so
You
close.
have to get it close to its mouth.
Oh,
There you go.
I think you got it. Pull it up.
Slowly.
There you go.
Yes! You got a fish!
Okay, so it's Halloween and we are in rain. Well, we found an indoor thing to take Lily to, so we're going there right now. Okay, so we got here. We're at Bass Pro Shop. That's where we were going. They had their trick-or-treat event, but they also did like photos. So we did that, and then there was time before the trick-or-treating, so we ate some barbecue. Anyways, it was really good, but now we're going to take Lil around the store and trick-or-treat. Okay, go tell them trick-or-treat.
Let's go trick or treat.
You say thank you? Come on.
All right, let's go. Treat. Say thank you. Come on.
You want something good to eat? There you go. Yeah.
Say thank you.
What kind of puppy are you?
No, you can have the balloons.
What kind of puppy are you?
Can you say Sky? From Paw Patrol?
Oh, yeah, I've seen him.
Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. Good job.
Now can I eat it?
No, let's take it home and we'll eat it at home, okay? Just let it dry first. Alright. Alright, so we got home and the rest of the night we're just going to be watching Travel Channel. The Ghost Adventures guys are doing like this 4-hour live thing. It starts in like half an hour, so we're going to be doing that, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and thanks for watching.